who decided to take his son to a poor family to show how poor people live. They stayed in a poor family's house in a farm. In 3 days. Then, at the last that they were leaving, the son said, "Dad, father said, what did you learn from..."
Wait sa na ako'y deal. Di ba naman na siya yung mga klase-klase nga pagkaon. After, ayaw sa mo ugla.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ba't na? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Arisig at sila na kay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Day to you. Balik ko. Happy birthday.